Hey everybody, we're looking at number 7. A store sells a package of 3 notebooks for $2. The point on the graph represents this ratio relationship. So note that it's over 3 and up 2. So I'm going to put that as an ordered pair here, over 3, up 2. And then let's pay attention to the units there. So we'll come back to that idea. Which ordered pair represents equivalent ratios that would also be on the graph? Choose all the correct answers. All right, so the first thing we need to pay attention to, what's the unit that they give you on the x-axis? And it's notebooks. So that means we're going to put that over here. The first number that's listed in an ordered pair is always the x. So I'll put an x here to remind us of that. The up and down axis is the y-axis. In that case, they're giving us cost. So it's a 3:2 ratio, or an ordered pair of 3, 2. Now, if we write that in a fraction format, let's put that down here. If we put the 3:2 written like this, 3:2, and we explore which of these ordered pairs would be proportional to this, one method is by using cross products. So if we take choice A, we would put the x, since 3 is the x, this would be the x, we'll put that on the top, and the y on the bottom. And let's check the cross products. So if we do this cross product, that equals 18. And if we do the other cross product going this way, that would be equal to 8. The cross products don't match, so that's going to be a no. Don't pick that one. That's a no. It's not proportional. Let's try choice B. Choice B is the idea of a 6 and a 4. A 6 and a 4. So we can check the cross products. If we write this as a ratio written as a fraction, and we write this as a ratio written as a fraction as well, and we check the cross products, this times this would be 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Is the other cross product 12 also? Is 2 times 6 12 also? It is. So let's plot that. Over 6, up 4, and let's put a dot. All right, so that's a yes. That's one we're going to pick. Now, what about choice C, 9, 6? Let's try the cross product method to see if that reveals anything. So remember, it's a 3:2 ratio, and we're seeing if 9:6 ratio is equivalent. Let's check the cross products again. So going this way, this times this is 18. We should probably erase this so nobody gets confused about why that 12 is there. Oops, I erased the 18 by accident. Let me put that back. And then this times this, 2 times 9. If we check this cross product right here, 2 times 9 is also 18. The cross products match. It's an equivalent ratio. Let's put it in the table. It's a 9, 6. And if we plot that, if we go over 9 and up 6, that's going to be plotted right here. Now, some of you, when you put it in the table, some of you are going to see a pattern. Aren't these multiples of 3? 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3. Aren't these multiples of 2? 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3. So you could keep going with the table and see which of the remaining ordered pairs fall on the table. Or we might even consider connecting these dots. Let's look at the line, because anything that's going to be something that would be a yes would also be something that we could graph, including even numbers that are lower, not that they offer that as choices, but anything on the graph on that line would be an answer. So let's take this dot as an example right here, this dot. What is that ordered pair? Isn't that over 12? So it's 12 on the x and 8 on the y. 12 on the x, 8 on the y. So it looks like choice D is going to be a yes also. Now for the remaining choices, I'm going to recommend using cross products. So compare the 15:9 ratio with the 3:2 ratio, see if that's equivalent, and do the same thing with choice F. And if they're not, if the cross products don't match, then don't pick those. So remember, you have to choose all the correct answers, so there is more than one to select. All right, good luck finishing that up.